In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes in the SMSit platform. If you scroll down on the left-hand side, click on Smart Tools, you will scroll down to QR codes and click that nifty link. Inside here, you have a ton of different options. Now, all of these options determine what this QR code will do when it is scanned. The first one is the web page option. So you can put a web address in here, and that will determine when someone scans a code, it'll determine what web page they're taken to. The next one is you can show them a message when they scan it. The next one will create an email. This one will actually bring up a map. This can set it up to generate a phone call. This sets it up to send a text message. This will create a WhatsApp message. You can create a Skype message, put in a Zoom meeting to automatically open, connect to a Wi-Fi network, show a virtual card like a virtual business card. If you've got an event that you want them to see information for, you can put that in here. You can have it connect to a PayPal buy now, add to cart, or donation and automatically put all that info in there. Or you can actually set up a Bitcoin transfer using the QR code. Today, I'm just going to show you how to quickly and easily set it up so that when someone scans the code, it will pre-populate a text message to join one of your lists. So first things first, I'm going to choose my country code, and I'm in the United States. Now, the next thing is I'm going to put my phone number in here for my SMSit account. Now, if I want them to join a list, all I have to do is put the keyword here in the message. So I'm going to just say leads. Now, note, if people just scan it and it pops this up, they may not understand what to do. So one of the best ways to use this is if you, for example, have a little thing on your table, like a table tent, if you're a restaurant, or if you're maybe at a fair or a trade show and you have printed flyers, you can tell people scan this code and press send to automatically get whatever the offer is. Okay, so you can put the word for your keyword here. And now down below, you've got all these different options. You can choose the size of the QR code, the background color, what color you want the foreground to be, and then you can actually choose what the dots look like. Maybe you want squares, you want circles. You can do all these cool little adjustments just by clicking and choosing what they are. You can also upload a logo in the center, but remember this: if you're uploading a logo, do not do a transparent one. It will make the QR code not properly function. Now, if it's something where you're doing like a certain type of message, you could also add one of these logos down here. For example, if you were having it do a PayPal thing, you could put a PayPal logo in the middle of the QR code, stuff like that. For today's demo, I'm not going to do any of that stuff. I'm just going to click on generate code. Now, that's what you're used to with a standard QR code, right? But if I want to change it up, I can go down here, change the look of it, and hit generate again, and it'll bring it up in a different format. Pretty neat, right? So down below, if I want to add one of these things to it, let's say I add the PayPal logo. Now notice how it puts it right in the center there. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And then all you have to do is click on PNG, SVG, or you can print, and then you can download this code. Now, let me show you how this functions when you scan it. I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code now so you can see what happens. Notice it pre-populates it, and now when I press send, you can see that I got an instant response. And that's how easy it is to create a QR code in the SMSit platform.